Hi there everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Just want to say hello. Please click that subscribe button down below and also click on the little bell so that you can get notified every time that I upload a video. I just received my Ipsy last night when I came home from work. I opened up my mail and there was my Ipsy. So let's get into it. It always comes in a nice little pink pouch. Whoops, that has my address on it. Nice pink pouch like this. And let's see, it always comes in a nice little bag like this. It is a $10 a month subscription. They are coming out with what they call a glam bag. I have yet to be invited to take part in that yet, so hopefully maybe someday soon. But I do like this bag. It's kind of like a what do you want to call it, imitation leather type feel to it, and then it's got this like little mask detail right here. Would have been nice if that wasn't a different color so it would stand out a little bit more. What do you think? But anyway, I do like this bag. This is feels like one of the nicer bags that I've gotten since the last couple months. And then all your products are sitting inside like that, and you do get a little card. I wish it would tell you like what the stuff is inside here, but just says October 2008, who said nights were for sleep. So that's interesting, and it has hashtag Ipsy After Dark. We all need beauty rest, but there's nothing like the weird, inexplicable, oh my goodness, I can't speak, inexplicable things that go down when you stay out late. And a post 11 p.m. outing is a killer excuse to take some beauty risk. Tempted? Us too. Here are a few Night Owl approved ideas to get you started. Oh. Test drive a vampy lip shade, Trust Fund Beauty liquid lipstick, and call the psychic. Take a peek at our site for an app for unexpected nighttime looks that are way easier to create than you think. That's a good idea. While you're over there, review your I have to review my products so I can get some points. And my next bag will be more geared towards me. And the third thing they said, wear one accessory you'd never normally wear. Could be a faux fur buried in the back of your closet or the clunkiest jewelry you have. Put it on and don't second guess. We hope your October glam bag inspires endless after dark adventures. Stay wild, Moonchild. I feel like I'm stuck in the 1960s as a hippie or something. And not that I'm knocking anybody, but alright, that's what the card looks like. So let's dig in here, and the first item I see is Incredible You Glow Girl. It is an iridescent jelly. It says Cosmic Blur. I don't know what this is. That's what I mean by I wish it came with a card so it would tell me it has a safety seal on it. So I mean, it does come here. I'll put it back together. It does come, it looks like this. It's just a little glow gel, I think. And it has this little seal on it. I don't want to take it off because, here we go. Come on. Ooh, that's really pretty. And I want to take it all off, but as you can see, it's very deceptive. It made you think this was totally full, but look at it. It's not. You know, this is my only pet peeve with Ipsy. They give you this stuff and then it doesn't really, it's not full, but it looks like it's a highlighter, or maybe you could put it on your eyes or your body. Let me see if I can get it. It's got a lot of shimmer in it, so it kind of it looks clear, but it's got this kind of bluish purple undertone that you can't really see on camera. Trust me, in person it's got this little, because of the shimmer in it, it's got this like bluish pinkish purple like transition to it, so it would really look pretty as a highlighter. let's put some on. Maybe let's try it. Why not? Let's see what happens. Oops, it came off. See, that's what it looks like inside here. You can't see the shimmer, but I trust, believe me, it has this little bit of bluish. There you go. See, it has this like pinkish purple kind of tint to it. Let's see what it does. It doesn't seem to be doing anything. Maybe I gotta put more on or something. I don't know. I'll keep playing with it. I want to get through this bag so we can go forward. The next item in here that I see, I'm super excited to get because I've never tried this product. It is Tarte's Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape, and it is in the shade CG62. I don't know what shade that is. Oh, light sand. There we go. It looks like this. I have yet to try this the shape tape. I've heard really great things about it, so I'm hoping that this works. I can't get it out. Oh, there we go. It has a little doe foot applicator, how I like to apply things. Let's put this next to it. It is a little bit will go a long way. That much I do know about this product, so don't overuse it, but there you go. So this totally will blend out. See, it is actually the right shade for once. It might be a little too close to my skin color, but I don't know. That's how I like my concealer. Normally they tell you to make sure it's a shade lighter than your foundation, but you know, I don't know. To me it looks, well, here in the normal light it does look a little bit lighter than my normal color, but you can't see that on camera. The next item in here is the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. It looks like that, and my hair is falling down. It looks like that. This is fairly good, decent sized sample. It does have vitamin C in it, so I'm like trying to smell it. It's got a safety seal on it. So we'll peel this off. You can smell that vitamin C, you smell the oranges. Let's see what it tells me about the product on the back here. It says, it doesn't tell me anything, just to massage it over dampened face and neck. But because it has vitamin C in it, you want to make sure that you wear sunscreen. And the next item in here is the by Naked Cosmetics. It's one of those little loose pigment tins. So let's see if I can get this open without spilling it all over the place. Oh, it's got a seal on it. That's why I can't. Oh, it looks like that. I don't want to tilt it too far because I don't want it to fall over, but it does have this safety seal on it. Put my little finger in there. This is what the color looks like. I don't know if I'm going to be a fan of this or not. Let's see. I'm not a big, huge, loose pigment girl, but it is very shimmery and it's a very decent gold color, so we'll try it out. I do still have a lot of pigment on my hands, so it is a very pigmented item. Let me just set that off to the side. I don't think I'm going to get the safety seal off without spilling it all over the place. And the last item in here is the Lip Fondant by Half Caked Lip Fondant. And of course it's in plastic wrap, which I'm grateful that it's totally sealed, but for taping I'm having a hard time getting into it. So here we go. What shade is this? Oh, there we go. Now I got it. I do like this company's packaging. I've seen reviews by other YouTubers of their products, and so I've seen some of their packaging, so that it basically looks like all their products look like cakes or fondant, you know, cake flour for your face. Anyway, lip fondant. Vegan approved, babe tested. This is in the shade Loverboy. Let's see. It has titanium dioxide. That's not good. Anyway, titanium dioxide could be, a few people may have allergic to that, but it has a little doe foot applicator. It looks like that. Looks like someone chewed off part of the edge of one of mine. Look at that. That's just funny. Okay, let's put this right here. I'm gonna put it right here. It's really pigmented, and it is a liquid, and it looks like that. It's a nice color. It's really pretty for the fall. I can wear this at Halloween. Maybe I can make a look out of all of this and put a mask on. I have yet to figure out what I'm gonna go for Halloween, and I have a party to go to at the end of the month. So yes, this is actually a pretty decent bag. I mean, I did mark that I didn't want I didn't want cleansing skincare. I didn't want a lot of skincare. I didn't want cleaning stuff. But it is makeup heavy. I'm super excited to try this Shape Tape and see how that works. And I do like this half-caked lippy lip. I'm hoping it'll dry down here soon so that I can see what it'll do. And this glow stuff, I wish it was more full sample. I just don't like the fact that it's very deceptive here, making you think you're getting a full thing of product. Oh, now it's settled. See, now it's settled and it looks full. Okay, so I mean, you saw it earlier. It didn't look like that. So now it's settled down some, but still, you saw what I was dealing with earlier. But here's everything. It looks pretty good. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I can give this a more further review later on to let you know what I think of the items in this bag. But I am really super excited to try this Shape Tape. I'm gonna probably be talking about this Shape Tape all the time. But let me know down in the comments down below what you think of this bag. Did you get the same bag as me? What items did you get? If you haven't gotten your bag yet, what items are you looking forward to? And I will include a link down below to Ipsy where you can get your own bag. And anyway, hope y'all are having a great evening, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.